Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go over today's trade that I took. So on the daily chart, I am still bearish on NQ, okay? But let's look at this really quick. We took out July 10th low on the 4-hour. We took out that low as well, okay? So I wasn't trying to sell below an old low. That's just me, okay? At the same time, I was looking at the dollar, and I saw that it just took out this high right here. So what that tells me is it can either keep going up and then go down, or it could just take this high and start retracing, and that's exactly what it did. So looking at NQ on the 1-minute chart, we took the low. This is that low, July 10th low, and then we mark structure shifted right here. So there's a nice MSS. It's a nice MSS right there. And then it came back. And then this was at 10:11, right? So at 10:11, GU, I was looking at GU as well. I was looking to short GU because it was in this 4-hour CIBI right here as well, and I respected it at 5 a.m.'s candle. So I thought we were going to continue coming to these lows. But I kept into account that we were at an order block on the daily. Okay, we were at an order block right here, and we also just took yesterday's or Tuesday's low, I mean. And then I just kept that into account. Okay, I was looking to short right here, somewhere around here. But when it bounced off of this right here, this fair value gap, I said, okay, let's look at NQ, and it respected it as well. So this was my cue to enter the trade because I use them as confluence against each other because GU and NQ or NASDAQ, whatever, they both have the dollar in it, so they're gonna correlate basically, and especially on the 1-minute chart. I'm not gonna lie, like a couple weeks ago or a couple months ago, they weren't correlating at all. So this is something that just started to work for me at least. And then also kept into account the dollar and shit. So but yeah, I basically got in right here. Price rallied up. I literally suffered 0 drawdown, so that was pretty nice. And then once price got into here, it started rejecting a little bit, and then once it broke above, it turned into an inverted fair value gap. I'm really starting to like inverted fair value gaps, or inversions fair value gaps. And then price rallied into this CIBI right here. I was aware of it, but my drawn liquidity was up here. Okay, so yeah, I was just patiently waiting, and then I was like, I don't really want to be in this trade anymore. So if the market structure shifts, I'm gonna just get out, and this is where I got stopped out. I trailed my stops leg right here. But yeah, that's basically it. I didn't close up here because it wasn't my final 1 to 3. If it would have hit my 1 to 3, I probably would have closed. I mean, it was right there. But, it's just a part of discipline, I guess. Like, my drawn liquidity is up here, so, like, why would I close, Other than if it starts market structure shifting. Like, that's my thing. Like, I'm not going to sit through all this bullshit, okay? I'm going to just grab whatever I can and get out. And then I bagged, like, 1.75% with this, so that was pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you learned something out of this video. Hope you found some value out of it. And if not, it doesn't matter. So, peace.